Discord on Mac. So we will try two methods. The first one, we'll go to the App Store, and the second one, we get it from the browser. Can we actually download it from the App Store? Let's see. So I've typed in Discord. There is no such application in search, and there is no client for that application either. So clients are basically a third-party application that can run Discord. So then let's go to our browser. In my case, I'm going to Chrome. I'll type in Discord. So here you can see we can just log into Discord over here and we'll use it from the browser itself. Or you can just scroll down, and here you can see we have an option to download for Mac. So let's hit download for Mac, and it's going to download the application for us. Not the application itself, but the installer. So the DMG file has been downloaded. In case you don't know where that file is, you can just go to Finder, and then in downloads, here you can see we have discord.dmg. Double click it. So here we have to just drag the Discord logo onto the applications folder. Type in your username and password for your admin if you're not on an admin account, and it's going to install it for us, right? So let's see, has it installed? Let's go to Launchpad. Here you can see it has installed. So that is great. You can just open it up now. So here you can see it is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Let's open it because it is an official application. And now it's going to download the updates and install it for us. We don't need to do anything. The first startup is always going to be a bit lengthy process, but otherwise it's going to be okay from the next time onwards. So here you can see we can just log in here and then get going. It's quite easy and you don't need to worry anything after that. Yes, now here you can see we have an external hard drive that says Discord on it. On that we can just right click, hit eject Discord, and then that is about it. That's all you need to do. So if you liked the video, do drop a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.